So I'm now joined by Melanie once again. Now, Melanie, we're here to talk a little bit about, more specifically, the crystals that you have to offer. So if you had to choose kind of personally, top three most popular crystals here that you have to offer.
It's hard for me to pick three, but for one, I would like to talk about black tourmaline as a really protective energy for a home and a space. It really is a big shielder against negative energy. Other people's thoughts can't penetrate the space, so it keeps our homes really positive and sacred. That would be one of my top picks for today.
Okay, so if you had to pick another, what would be the second?
Let's talk a little bit about rose quartz, because heart healing is a big thing for all of us, to keep ourselves centered in the heart and not overthinking things. So rose quartz has got a really unconditional loving vibe, a self-esteem vibe, and is really healing for the physical heart and the lungs and that area of the body.
And lastly, the third one.
Ooh, third choice. Let's talk about selenite. White selenite is a really nice energy for calling in your angels and guides. So it's white light. It's really a nurturing energy for children and helps us to kind of go with the flow.
Now, another thing I noticed is the Himalayan salt. Can you talk a little bit about that and what it does and how people can sort of use it?
Himalayan salt is like a natural ionizer. It emits a negative ion into the space, and so the air is really clean, really pure. You're removing all of the positively charged ions in the space that come off your electrical equipment and dust and pollens. So it's really fresh, clean air that you get to breathe in, which means we sleep better, we feel better. It's an alleviator of chest congestion and asthma, as well as skin issues too.
Now, just taking a walk through here, you notice quite a few different fountains. So I guess, how did you come across the whole idea to incorporate these into fountains?
Well, water is so therapeutic, Kyle, that we want to use water as an added tranquility energy to a space. And it's also a natural, it's a natural way to humidify your space. And you're humidifying then with crystalline energy, because all of the water has flowed over the stones. And then that evaporates into the air. And then you're really absorbing rock energy then.